Welcome back from the last episode. In this episode I will explain to you the last changes I made to the code. I implemented a bit of the code in the main function, so there is now a window which will be shown to the user. This is the show procedure, so when it's called it will call show window, and then show window shows the window to the user. That second integer indicates whether the console will be still shown or not, so keep that 1 because we want to show the console. And after the window is shown, the window will update. So each time you call window.update, it's the next frame, and the window will be drawn to the screen, and the messages will be processed. This is the callback for the messages. This processes all the messages that come in. So there can be a message which says VM close, so close the window, or there could be a message which says VM destroy, that means destroy the window. And if there is not if the message is not recognized, or we don't know what to do, then we will return the standard window procedure. And this is the function for the creation of the window. There is an instance path from now on, because that's the instance where the window will be shown on. Here you can see HWD window, the base window. There are a few functions. I have gone through all of these except for the delete procedure. So if the window is deleted, then the depth buffer is deleted, and the color array is also deleted. So yeah, that are the changes. We have moved all the global functions into one big CPP file. In the header file from the global functions, you have included all the things we need for our project. So if we need to include more things, we will include that here. So yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next video.